Every Russian president raw materials. Only certified aviation metals and composites are accepted for production. Each shipment is digitally tracked before entering the manufacturing line. Every material batch receives a unique identification code. Every alloy is verified to meet strict aerospace standards. Even minor composition differences are rejected immediately. Automated storage systems organize every component for maximum efficiency. Production software tracks each material in real time. The first aluminum billets are selected for the helicopter airframe. Precision manufacturing begins with digitally controlled logistics. Large aluminum billets are cut into precise manufacturing blanks. Computer-controlled saws ensure consistent dimensions. 5-axis CNC machines begin shaping structural components. Every cut follows micron-level digital precision. Excess material is removed to create lightweight structures. Precision machining reduces weight without sacrificing strength. Laser measurement confirms every dimension. Only perfectly machined parts move forward. Thousands of precision holes prepare the airframe for assembly. Every hole is positioned within extremely tight tolerances. Every drilled edge is carefully finished. Smooth surfaces improve structural reliability. Ultrasonic cleaning removes every trace of machining residue. Clean components are essential for aerospace assembly. Industrial drying prepares every part for protective treatment. Moisture must be eliminated before coating. Protective anodizing strengthens corrosion resistance. This treatment extends the helicopter's service life. Protected structural components are now ready for assembly. Next, the presidential helicopter's fuselage begins taking shape.
The protected structural frames enter the main assembly hall. Precision fixtures hold every section in perfect alignment. Laser alignment guarantees perfect structural geometry. Every frame must match the digital aircraft model. Titanium reinforcement beams strengthen the helicopter structure. These components provide exceptional strength with minimal weight. Automated drilling prepares every structural joint. Precision hole placement is critical for aerospace safety. Thousands of aerospace rivets permanently lock the structure together. Each rivet is inspected before production continues. Aircraft sealants protect the fuselage against moisture and corrosion. Every joint receives a continuous protective layer. Lightweight composite flooring increases cabin strength. The honeycomb structure reduces overall aircraft weight. Bulkheads strengthen the airframe while separating key compartments. Every bolt is tightened to an exact specification. The upper fuselage gains its curved structural profile. Laser alignment keeps the cabin perfectly symmetrical. Exterior skin panels are carefully inspected before installation. Even microscopic defects are unacceptable. The first outer skin section gives shape to the helicopter. Temporary clamps hold every panel in precise position. Robotic riveting permanently secures the outer fuselage. Uniform rivet spacing ensures structural integrity. Additional panels complete the helicopter's aerodynamic body. The aircraft now begins to resemble its final form. Every joint is smoothed to improve aerodynamic performance. The finished surface prepares for advanced assembly. The completed fuselage passes its first full structural inspection. Next, the powerful rotor transmission system will be installed. The reinforced transmission deck supports the helicopter's entire rotor system. Laser-guided positioning ensures absolute alignment. Each structural bolt is tightened to a certified aerospace specification. Every fastening sequence is digitally recorded. The main gearbox transfers engine power to the rotor system. Every internal gear is precision machined for maximum reliability. The gearbox is lowered with millimeter-level precision. Proper alignment prevents vibration during flight. Automatic torque systems secure the gearbox with consistent precision. Every fastener is verified before assembly continues. The rotor mast carries the enormous loads generated by the main rotor. Every surface is inspected before installation. The rotor mast is carefully installed inside the gearbox. This connection delivers engine power directly to the rotor blades. Special locking systems prevent movement during operation.
Multiple safety features secure the rotating assembly. The transmission undergoes its first controlled rotation test. Engineers verify smooth movement before engine installation. Engine mounting frames are installed to support the turbine engines. Alignment is essential for efficient power transfer. The first turbine engine is prepared for installation. Comprehensive inspection confirms production quality. The turbine engine is carefully lowered into its mounting position. Laser guidance ensures perfect placement. The engine is permanently secured to the airframe. Every connection is checked before moving forward. A matching second engine provides the helicopter with redundant power. Both engines must perform identically. Both turbine engines are now installed and aligned with the transmission. Next, fuel systems, hydraulic lines, and electrical wiring will bring the helicopter to life. Fuel delivery lines connect the engines to the aircraft's fuel system. Every pipe is pre-shaped for a precise installation. Leak-proof fittings ensure safe fuel delivery. Every connection is tightened to certified aerospace standards. Crash-resistant fuel tanks maximize safety and durability. They are carefully mounted inside the helicopter structure. The complete fuel system is pressure tested before operation. Even the smallest leak is immediately detected. Hydraulic lines deliver power to critical flight systems. Each tube follows a carefully engineered routing path. Precision fittings create a sealed hydraulic circuit. Reliable hydraulic pressure is essential for flight control. Engine-driven hydraulic pumps provide continuous system pressure. Accurate alignment ensures efficient operation. Special aviation hydraulic fluid fills the closed system. Air is removed to ensure smooth actuator performance. Each hydraulic circuit is tested under operating pressure. The system responds exactly as designed. Electrical wiring connects every major helicopter system. Shielded cables reduce electromagnetic interference. Every cable is carefully identified for future maintenance. Proper routing improves safety and reliability. The cockpit receives its primary electrical network. Fiber optic cables enable high-speed data communication. Advanced avionics manage navigation, communication, and flight control. Every electronic module undergoes final inspection. The aircraft's electronic brain is now installed. Diagnostic systems confirm successful communication.
All major onboard systems now communicate through the integrated flight network. Next, the rotor blades, tail assembly, landing gear.
The titanium rotor hub becomes the heart of the helicopter's lift system. Laser-guided installation guarantees perfect alignment. Massive retaining hardware locks the rotor hub in place. Every torque value is electronically verified.
Composite rotor blades combine lightweight construction with exceptional strength. Every blade undergoes a final inspection before installation.
The first rotor blade is carefully secured to the hub. Precision alignment ensures smooth rotor balance. Each remaining blade is installed with identical precision. The completed rotor assembly is balanced for stable flight. Pitch links allow each blade to change angle during flight. Precise control is essential for helicopter maneuverability. The composite tail boom provides strength while minimizing weight. Laser-guided positioning ensures perfect alignment. The tail boom is permanently integrated with the airframe. Internal drive shafts transmit power to the tail rotor. The tail rotor counters the torque produced by the main rotor. It is carefully balanced for stable directional control. The landing gear provides stable ground handling and safe landings. Hydraulic mechanisms enable smooth deployment. Each landing gear cycle is tested under controlled conditions. Proper locking ensures safe ground operations. Ballistic-resistant glazing enhances crew protection. Each windshield is sealed against extreme weather conditions. Executive-grade windows improve passenger comfort and visibility. Precision sealing ensures long-term durability. The presidential cabin receives handcrafted luxury finishes. Premium materials provide comfort while maintaining aviation standards.
The handcrafted executive seating transforms the cabin into a flying VIP suite. Next,
Before painting begins, every sensitive component is carefully protected. Only the exterior surfaces remain exposed for finishing. A perfectly clean surface ensures a maximum paint adhesion. Every panel is inspected before primer application. The epoxy primer protects the airframe from corrosion. It also creates the ideal foundation for the final finish. Controlled heat permanently bonds the primer to the aircraft. This creates a durable base for the final paint. Multiple paint layers provide long-lasting protection and a premium finish. Each coat is applied with micron-level consistency. A transparent protective coating enhances durability and gloss. It shields the finish from weather and environmental wear.
The final curing cycle locks in the aircraft's premium finish. The hardened coating is ready for inspection.
Protective masking is removed with extreme care. Every painted edge is inspected for perfection. Aircraft markings are applied according to aerospace specifications. Each decal is positioned with precision. Rotor balancing minimizes vibration during flight. Digital sensors ensure perfect rotational stability.
The twin turbine engines come to life for the first time. Engine performance is monitored in real time.
The engines and rotor system operate together under controlled conditions. Performance data confirms proper system integration.
Every system undergoes an extensive quality inspection. No detail is overlooked before approval.
Every manufacturing step is documented for complete traceability. The aircraft is now ready for final acceptance.
After months of precision engineering, the helicopter is ready for operational acceptance. Next comes final
Engineers install specialized flight test instruments. Every critical system will be monitored during the first flight. Every cockpit display and flight system is tested before takeoff. The pilot confirms all systems are operating normally. The exterior inspection confirms the helicopter is flight ready. Every visible component is carefully examined.
The twin engines begin their final pre-flight startup. Engine temperatures and pressures stabilize within normal limits. The helicopter performs its first controlled hover. Engineers carefully monitor stability and vibration. Flight characteristics are evaluated under controlled conditions. Every maneuver is recorded for engineering analysis.
The helicopter completes a successful factory test flight. Engineering teams prepare for post-flight inspection.
Post-flight inspections verify the aircraft's condition. All systems perform exactly as expected. The aircraft receives its final detailing before delivery. Every surface is finished to presentation quality.
Comprehensive documentation accompanies every aircraft. Maintenance records ensure complete traceability.
The completed helicopter undergoes final customer inspection. Every feature is reviewed before acceptance.
Final acceptance documents officially complete the manufacturing process. The helicopter is now ready for delivery.
The completed helicopter is moved to the delivery area. It now awaits its official presentation. Months of engineering, craftsmanship, and testing come together in one remarkable aircraft. The helicopter is fully prepared for operational service. From raw aerospace materials to a fully flight-tested helicopter, every stage demanded precision and craftsmanship.